My name is Kjell Andersen. I'm the head of Hydraulico Service and Customer Satisfaction. Being our customers' total service provider, we do 360-degree service and we enjoy building strong customer relationships. We service and advise our customers before, during or after a purchase or an upgrade of a press or process line. For more than 75 years, Hydraulico has optimized our customers' processes to ensure high productivity, maximize uptime and increase reliability. We know the possible financial consequences of an unexpected breakdown. This is why we advise our customers when it's time for preventive maintenance, modernizations or new equipment. Our customer support center is daily contact with our customers to advise and assist our customers on recommended actions. Together with our customers, we develop and adapt the solutions on any brand of hydraulic presses. Our services include safety assessments, inspections, preventive and proactive maintenance, training, as well as on-site emergency support. We offer various press modernizations to improve safety, boost production, increase reliability, uptime, and eventually to save money. Regardless of brand, Hydraulico modernizations can be safety upgrades, control upgrades, press refurbishments, or full press upgrades. Hydraulico services are tailored to your business needs.